If you leak when you laugh, sneeze, or cough, this is not normal aging. This is your pelvic floor signaling that something deeper is wrong. Your bladder muscles are connected to your nervous system the same way every other muscle is. When cortisol stays elevated, it strips strength from those muscles slowly over years. The Kegels do nothing because you cannot strengthen a muscle that stress is actively breaking down. Calm the nervous system. The pelvic floor recovers. The leaking stops. You should not have to live like this, and you do not have to. Follow for more healing secrets and share with someone who needs this.